Hello everyone, welcome back to the Vijita Rajkumar online classes. Today I am going to discuss about the syllabus, weightage and important questions and model question paper in the course of the like a bridge course. In the biological sciences there are two papers will be there, botany as well as the zoology. So first we will moving on to the botany. So this is the by PC stream students. Bridge course by PC students like a botany will be there in the same way. Zoology also will be there. So here the question paper is to be set for 40 marks. The student has to answer for 25 marks. So here the first time you don't know so no one knows. I think bridge course is a different no like a comparing to vocational courses. You know very well about the vocational courses, but you don't know the anything like rules, regulations, like a scheme, weightage and syllabus, passage marks. So nobody knows. That is the reason so many members are requested to please do the video regarding this channel. So that is the reason I'm going to post this video. So here the question paper is set for the 40 marks, okay, but you have to attempt or you have to answer for the 25 marks only. There will be 8 short answers, very short answers question will be there, and each one carries 1 mark, and the student has to answer any 5 questions from this section here. Okay, in section B there will be same like a short answers questions 8 will be there, but each question carries 4 marks. The student has to answer 5 questions from section B. So 1 plus, sir, 5 plus 1, 1, 5. Section A, 5 plus 1, 5. Section B, 4 plus 5, 20. So 5 plus 20, 25. So the botany has to carry the maximum marks for the botany 25. Same way physics, chemistry, biology, sorry, botany, maths and everything will be same like that only. So here this is the syllabus of the botany. So here the syllabus will be say like this, like a diversity in the living world, morphology, reproduction. Okay, this is all the syllabus for the botany. Okay, so already I have done this separate video for the 30% deleted content in the all like a BIPC and MPC stream and all the subjects. Okay, please go through that video also. I don't have any enough time. Okay, it's clear now. So this is the weightage of the marks will be there. So first unit 5 marks, second unit 8 marks, third unit 6 marks, fourth unit like a two. These are all the things, but you have to know that little bit 8 marks will be there. So morphology, in morphology you may get the 8 marks. Okay, and third unit also 6 marks weightage will be there, and fifth unit is a very important. If you thorough with the fifth and third and sixth, definitely you will pass. I'm requesting all the students, please go through the, so only first of all you have to give the importance for the sixth, sorry, not fifth unit. Okay, so fifth unit carries the 10 marks. Okay, okay, first we have to read the fifth unit, and again you have to focusing on the sixth unit, and after that the second unit and third unit. Okay, but you have to give the preference for these 3 units. Okay, like a second unit, fifth unit and sixth unit. It's clear na? Okay, so this is a way the question paper has to be prepared for the 40 marks. So here the 40 marks will be there, no? So this is the, okay, but you have to answer 25 marks. Okay, next clear now. This is the model question paper for you people. Already I have sent the like 2 types of question papers for you people. Anyhow, this is also third model question paper. If you'll thorough with the first, second, third, if you'll thorough with these 3 third questions, definitely you will pass. Trust on me. Okay, and you have to, first of all you have to hard work, then only you have to trust on me. So definitely you will pass, and definitely you will get the idea little bit regarding what is what. So what is the syllabus, what is the passage of like a, what is the pass marks for the each subject in the bridge course, and everything you may get the idea. Okay, this is the answer. Any 5 questions will be there. Give the scientific name of mango. VV Parry, vegetative propagation, flora formula of the solanum plant. Okay, technical description of another Allium cepa, exhibits meiosis, lamella made up of, okay, sciophytes. Okay, I think this one is I didn't mention. Okay, this you have to read. This also I didn't mention. This also not mentioned. Okay, meiosis already I have mentioned. Meiosis one stage. And for 4 marks question I have mentioned. But even though you have to read for this sixth question also, and this eighth question also I didn't mention. Ma. So this also you can read. Okay, first question and fourth question, and next fifth and sixth, eighth question also you have to read once again. Okay, so next coming to the section B. So wherever according to question you have to draw the like a need label diagrams wherever necessary. Okay, okay, heterospory, give it significantly. This question also I didn't mention. Please go through this question also. Okay, define venation. How do dicots differ from the monocots with the respective venation? This also you have to read. Okay, explain 4-step modifications with it didn't also I didn't mention. Okay, explain binomial nomenclature. This is the first unit I have mentioned. No, describe the destruction functions of the powerhouses of the cell, mitochondria. This also I have mentioned. Already you have I have mentioned this one and this one also. Explain prophase of meiosis. This also I have mentioned. Okay, Describe briefly the internal structure of the dicot root. All this also I mentioned. Okay, next one is the write briefly about different types of the meristems. Okay, this also mentioned. See here, if you'll trust on me, if you first of all you have full hard work, then afterwards I have trust on me. Definitely you will. So here only what I mentioned here, 4 marks I have given no. Okay, so that is the reason again I didn't mention these three questions. Along with these four questions, you have to read this above three questions also. Definitely you will pass. So this is a third model question paper for the bridge course biological sciences part 1 botany. It's clear na? Okay. So this, if you want again you can go to the what are the important questions like a unit wise. So these are the important questions like a unit wise for the English medium students. So many English medium students they're asking. I don't have enough time, but even though so many requesting, so for your future sake, okay, I am preparing this one. Okay, so in first unit these are the 1 mark questions. Please go through the 1 mark questions. It's a very important. Okay, don't leave the any 1 mark questions. Okay, so this is the 1 mark questions in first unit and 4 mark questions in our first unit. Okay, so next coming to this also. Next coming to the okay second unit. This is the in second unit there are the important very short answers 1 mark questions, very important questions. Please go through the 1 mark questions. Okay, next this is 4 mark questions. Okay, reproduction. This is third unit. Important 1 mark questions. These are all the things also. Next, this also. Next, fourth unit. Plant systematics. 1 mark. Very short answers questions. Important questions. 4 mark questions in fourth unit. Fifth unit is a very important. Don't leave each and every corner of the question you have to read. In this unit, you may get the 10 marks weightage will be there. Okay. 1 mark questions. Okay. Osmosis and everything. These are 4 marks questions you have to read. Okay, this also you may get the 8 marks weightage will be there, 6th unit. You have to read. Okay, this 4 marks questions. It's clear na? Okay. And 7th unit. Okay, these are the 1 mark questions in 7th unit, 4 marks questions in 7th unit. It's clear. Okay, next coming to the for the second year, no need no. So we will go moving on to the zoology. So this is the zoology for the first year students. This is the part 2 in the biological sciences paper 1. Okay, diversity in living world 2 marks weightage, structural organization 5 marks, third unit 5 marks, fourth unit 5 marks, fifth unit 9 marks, sixth unit is the so sixth unit is deleted in botany fabaceae, that is deleted. Some of the little bit topics are deleted. So I have done the separate video. Please go through that if you want deleted content. Don't ask repeatedly. Okay. Okay, this is a Periplanet Americanus. Completely 6th unit is deleted in the zoology. Okay, 7th unit is the 9 marks weightage will be. Okay, I'm advising the student. I'm advising to all the students. Please go through the 5th and 7th unit. Okay, if you thorough with the 5th and 6th, 7th unit, you may get the pass marks weightage, and if you will read all the questions, you may get the little bit more marks. Okay, it's clear now. So ecology. 8 marks weightage will be there. So here the 8 marks weightage will, so 9 marks weightage, 5th unit 9 marks weightage will be there, and again you have to give the equal preference for the second, third as well as his 6th already deleted. No need to read this one and all. Okay, so this is the question paper prepared for the 40 marks, but you have to attempt to 25 marks. Pass marks will be the 10 marks. It's clear. So this is a model question paper for you people. Section A carries very short answers question, 1 mark questions. You have to attempt only 5, but they will give the 8 marks. Species riches I have told. Sacred goose in India I didn't mention. Please go through this question. Okay. Austrian I have told. What is the function of radula? This one I didn't mention. What's the importance of air blood? This is a very important question. This is very important. This is also very important. What is hyperparasite? Mention the name of one hyperparasite. This is also important question. Okay, this I mentioned. You please go through this question. Different sciences in cockroach. This is deleted question. No need to read 7th question. What are the circadian rhymes? This you read. So 4 questions you have to read. Okay, so next coming to the section B, does it describe three types of cartilages. This is a very important cartilages. What are the chief characteristics of the crustacean? This is also very important. I mentioned, okay. I told to read no this okay, and what are the modifications that are observed in birds? This also very important. These questions I have told. Explain the life cycle interventional care. This also I have told. Prevention is better than this is I have read. Okay. Tobacco drug abuse. TDA means you have to read this last question I think. Okay. This I didn't mention. Please go to this. This I already I have mentioned this one. This only I didn't mention it. Please go through it. So this also deleted question. Cockroach and all. This is deleted question. No need to read. What is summer stratification? This is the last unit I think. This you have to read. Okay. Discuss the causes and effects of the global warming. This is a, sometimes they may ask global warming or otherwise greenhouse effect. Compulsory, these are two expected questions, gunshot questions. These are all the gunshot questions. There are three types of cartilages, crustaceans and TDA, tobacco induced, okay, and global warming, greenhouse effect. These are all the questions are gunshot questions in your examination. Is clear na? Okay. Okay, so according to unit wise important questions will be there. Please, if you want, you can go to this also. If you want to do the like a BSc MLT, you have to get the more mark according to like a, along with the vocational. So when you're applying for the BSc MLT, they are asking for the course to like a courses you have to upload the marks. If you'll pass, if you'll just you will pass means you are the losers. You may not get the good meritage, like sorry, good merit. So when you so that's the reason I am advising the students, please go through the important questions also. Okay, who are like a merit students. I think Medstr is not that it's not that much task, no? You can read. Okay. Unit 2, 1 mark questions. These are all the 1 mark important questions. 4 mark questions. Third unit. 1 mark questions important. Short answers questions, 4 mark questions. Okay. Animal diversity 2. Core data, phylum. 1 mark questions, important questions in unit 4. 4 mark questions in unit 4. So biology, human, these are very important questions. Please read all the questions in 5th chapter. Okay, next these are also like important questions. 4 marks important questions in 5th unit. So 16 is deleted, so no need to read. But even the for next year, if they will ask, no, you can they will also go through this video. So may be helpful for those people also. Okay, for tomorrow, who are going to read this chapter is no need to read this deleted topic. Okay, next this also deleted, no need to read and all. Next, 7th unit is a very important. You may get the weightage, 9 marks weightage will be there from this unit. Please go through this unit, 5th unit and this 7th unit. These are all the okay BOD, biological oxygen demand, periphyton, acid and sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide is responsible for the acid rains. Okay, biological magnification, via instruments are used in hospitals. Okay, till now I complete. Until now I discussed the like a syllabus, weightage of the marks, and important questions and model papers in biological sciences like a part 1 botany and part 2 zoology for you people. All the best. Thank you all once again for watching my channel.